7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Good morning. It is about 8:30. Your girl, that's right. I am, of course, at the gym. I have just a new energy today. Got sleep. My massage was amazing. That man got me together. My back feels amazing. My energy is on a new level. I need to go more often because like after my massage and a good sleep, oh my God, I feel so much better. Today is gonna be a very full day like it always is. I'm gonna take you guys with me. But anyway, I'm feeling good and I'm going to look great. So we're gonna get in here. So I'm gonna stop talking and let go. All right, we just came from the house. I needed to grab some clothes. Hair's in a bun because we're going to ballet. This is kind of a informal, so I'm excited. This is my first ballet class of the year. I'm taking it at Millennium, so I'll let you guys see Millennium. I go between a couple different studios. You just do that in LA. You like to take certain people. So I'm headed to ballet and I'm excited. And I'll let you see the new Millennium because it has moved. It was on Lancashire and now it's in Studio City and has a much nicer facility. I feel like I've shown you in one of my videos, or at least maybe my snap, but I'll officially show you on my channel or this video. So I'll be there in a second. I will talk to you guys. I have to go to Ulta. I have to teach at 3 o'clock. This is the day. This is how my days are. I am in the car a lot. That's why I got a new car. I'm going to run this quick errand and go get some food. I will see you guys when I get to my next destination. So we've decided on Chick-fil-A. You're not still serving breakfast, only lunch. And you have diet Dr. Pepper? Yes, can I say? Yeah. I don't have my facial wash, my normal facial wash. Thank you. I'm not going back home. Not everybody has diet Dr. Pepper. It actually tastes better than the regular Dr. Pepper. I know it's weird, and I gotta try it that I like. So there's an Ulta literally up the street. So I'm gonna get food, go to Ulta, drop this paperwork off, and then head to my other place. I'll get out. So good. Number 7. Don't judge me. I know I went to the gym. I know I did a lot today, but and that's it. Some carbs. No. There's actually not one in North Hollywood. North Hollywood area, Studio City, that area of LA is considered like porn capital. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in fucking ever. Can get out here. Y'all don't want to see me eat. Thank you.